Most part-time workers think cash advance apps only work well for full-time employees. But here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, several apps are becoming much better at working with flexible schedules and smaller paychecks. In this video, I'll show you the best cash advance apps for part-time workers, which apps are easiest to qualify for, and the mistakes that can keep your borrowing limits low. Let's start with the biggest challenge part-time workers face. Your income may look inconsistent compared to a traditional full-time salary. Maybe you work retail, food delivery, freelancing, or weekend shifts. Some weeks you get more hours. Other weeks you get less. That unpredictability matters because many financial apps analyze income stability before approving advances. One of the strongest options in 2026 is Empower. A lot of part-time workers like it because the app focuses heavily on banking activity and recurring deposits instead of just traditional employment status. So if Alex works 20 hours a week and receives regular deposits into the same account, Empower may still approve advances even without a full-time job. But here's the problem. Many users expect high advance limits immediately. That rarely happens. Most apps begin with smaller limits until they see stable repayment behavior and consistent deposits over time. Another strong option is MoneyLion. It offers potentially larger advance amounts for eligible users and includes banking features many workers find useful. For example, Jake works part-time at a warehouse and gets steady weekly deposits. Over time, that consistency may help increase his available advance limit. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some apps are becoming more flexible with non-traditional income. Platforms designed for freelancers and gig workers often understand irregular schedules much better than traditional lenders. And for part-time workers, that flexibility can make a big difference. This is where most people fail. They use cash advances for unnecessary spending instead of temporary emergencies. For example, using an advance to cover transportation costs before payday may help you continue working. But constantly borrowing for shopping, entertainment, or random expenses can quickly create repayment stress. And there's another hidden issue many users ignore. Instant transfer fees. Paying extra every time you want money faster may seem small at first, but those fees can quietly add up month after month. In a minute, I'll show you the safest strategy experienced users follow. The smartest approach is using cash advance apps as short-term backup tools, not regular income replacements. Responsible users borrow smaller amounts, repay on time, and avoid stacking multiple advances across different apps. Now let's talk about approvals. Most apps review direct deposits, banking history, account stability, and repayment patterns more than job titles. That means consistent activity often matters more than whether you work full-time or part-time. And here's something many people overlook. Overdrafts and failed repayments can reduce future borrowing limits quickly. So which cash advance apps are best for part-time workers in 2026? If you want easier approval with flexible income, Empower is one of the strongest options. If you want larger potential limits and extra banking tools, MoneyLion stands out. And if your income comes mainly from gig work, gig-focused apps may fit your situation even better. The key is choosing an app that works with your income pattern instead of against it. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe and comment below with your favorite cash advance app. And stay tuned because next we're comparing the best instant cash apps with no hidden fees in 2026.